Hi. Today I am going to show you an online password manager called LastPass. First you have to create an account. To create an account, go to LastPass website and click on Get LastPass Free. Next you have to provide your details to create an account. Make sure you are creating a strong password. Reminder is an optional. As soon as you click on sign up, your account will be created. Now you have to install the browser extension to log into your account. Follow the steps to install the browser extension. After you install the browser extension, you have to log into your account. Follow the steps to log into your account. You can see now, you have logged into your account. Also you can install the LastPass browser extension to your favorite browser from here. Now we'll see how to save the credentials to the vault by logging into any online account. Here, I am going to use Gmail for demonstration purpose. As soon as you logged into any online account, you will get a notification to add the credentials to the LastPass vault. Here, you have to click Add to add to the vault. Now we'll see how to use saved credentials when logging into your online account next time. When you open the page next time, you will see the credentials suggestion in both places. You can click on it to fill the username. Password will autofill once you have selected the username. Next we'll see how to generate secure password using LastPass when we create any online account. Also here, I am going to use Gmail for demonstration purpose. When you want to enter a password, click on LastPass extension and select Generate secure password. Here you can change the password length and characters as you want. You can generate random password by clicking here. After generating, you can copy the password and use it for your online account. As soon as you paste the password and click next, you will get a notification to add the credentials to the vault. Sometime it will miss to collect the username. If it is missed, type the username and click on Add to save to the vault. Here you can see, credentials are saved to the LastPass vault. Now you can see it's showing 2 password suggestions here. You can click on any credentials to log into any account you want. You can open the vault by clicking on LastPass extension and click on Open My Vault. You can see your saved items here. You can see and edit the credentials of any login by click on Edit. If you have saved any items here, it will appear. Also you can add items manually. In between I am going to show you my personal vault, to show how it'll appear if you saved many items. You can see 2 custom items in my vault. You can add custom item from here. Now we'll see how to install LastPass application to the mobile. LastPass application is available for Android mobiles and also for iPhones. Follow the steps to download and install LastPass application in your iPhone. After install, follow the steps to log into the LastPass vault. You can enable Touch ID to login and account recovery. Here you can see all your saved credentials. You can get this option by touching on any credential. If you click on Edit, you will get this options. At last, we'll see how to secure your vault using multi-factor authentication. To enable multi-factor authentication, open Account Settings and select Multi-Factor Options tab. Here you can see many applications available for multi-factor. You can use any of these. I am going to use Google Authenticator. To enable, click on pencil symbol. Here you have to change the enabled value to yes, and click on Update. Before click on Update, make sure Authenticator application is installed on your mobile. After install, open the application. Here you can click on Update and type the master password. Then scan this barcode with the authenticator. And it will ask to provide the verification code from the authenticator. Provide the authentication code and click OK. You can see here status is enabled. After enabled, you have to provide the one-time passcode from Authenticator whenever you log into the LastPass vault. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel for more useful videos.